You are going to love the 2016 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, manual sliding rear window, speed control. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, cloth seat trim. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.